What is cranking, wieners, and welcome back to Camp Claw. Yes, we are finally back up at camp. Spent a few days in Texas. That was okay, but really, this is where I love to be. Mother Nature, up north in the great wilderness. By the way, it feels like the north. Last night I slept in a sweatshirt, sweatpants, wool socks, and some knitted undies, and I was still freezing my cheeks off. But it's all good because I'd rather be freezing cold than super hot. And that means, hopefully, the fish should be biting. Also, before we get today's video kicked off, I've got some exciting news. I'm gonna be holding my first ever contest, which actually started about a week ago, where you guys get a chance to hang out with me at the Camp Claw. All you have to do to enter this contest is check the link down below, check out some of the new Camp Claw merch. We've got hoodies, t-shirts, hats, pretty simple, straightforward stuff. I'm pretty stoked about how the designs turned out. Click that link, go to the store. Every single purchase counts for an entry. So in other words, you buy a hoodie, you buy a shirt, you buy a hat, that's 3 entries, and it increases your chances of coming and hanging out at the camp with me, smashing some claws, if of course you're over 21, catching some smallmouth out of the pond, and just having a flippin' good time. Also, can't forget about this. The other big part about this contest is after you're done hanging out at Camp Claw, you will be taking home my personal, brand new 2020 Polaris RZR Pro Orange Madness, or as we like to call it, the Orange Regret. So that's pretty exciting. You get a $26,000 side-by-side, and you get to come chill with us. If you don't want to chill with me, you can at least chill with Lucky. She's always a good time as well. Also, a lot of you guys, which is understandable, are concerned that I'm giving away a piece of shit, beat up RZR Pro. Just take a look at this. Take a look at this. But she's back in action. All we had to do is fix the blown belt, change the tire, and she honestly just needs a good bath. But I mean, would you even want a clean RZR? I feel like you'd want it dirty, but that's up to you. She's up and running, and we've got her back from Bangor Motorsports. I figured we just make the most out of it, get in a few last rips, and take this thing on a backwoods fishing mission. We're basically just gonna take this thing right here, send it into the back of the woods, and try to go find some little hidden lakes and creeks and streams. It's gonna be an amazing time. But like I said, if you guys wanna check out this contest, support the channel, support the Camp Claw movement, check that link down below. Pick up some shirts, pick up some hoodies, grab a hat or two, and make my freaking day. I really appreciate it in advance. And I'm just stoked to hang out with one of you guys here in a little bit. The contest ends October, remember that, and we will draw a winner shortly after. But all that aside, let's have a day of it. Stick with it, stay tuned, and let's go crank 'em. The mission starts now. You guys have been asking for this. We're gonna take this big beauty right here, the Orange Regret, on its first ever official fishing mission. It's not meant for fishing, but we're gonna turn it into a fishing mobile. And if you guys happen to win this, you can turn it into whatever mobile you want. A flipping mobile, a fishing mobile, hunting mobile. She's ready for the terrain. This is the spot that we're gonna leave the rig runner, and then we're gonna hop this off the trailer and just gonna take it down this trail. Should be another like 6 or 7 miles to the lake. This is quite the adventure. I love it. After I announced the giveaway, a lot of you guys were concerned that I was giving away a wrecked, totaled Polaris RZR. Let me just ask you this. Does this sound wrecked to you?
I don't think it sounds wrecked, John, honestly.
She's good. She just needed a new belt, a little bit of TLC. I would never, ever give away something broken to someone. This thing is minty. The reason why I'm giving it away is because, to be quite frank, I feel like I'm gonna die every time I get behind the wheel. So I'm gonna hand the burden off to someone else. No, I'm just kidding. This thing is sweet. It does scare the shit out of me. That is facts. Anyway, let's get on with it. We got fish to catch, roads to travel on. This RZR needs to get its first fish, so let's head out. Holy nutsack. Dude, what a view. This is crazy. So we took a truck to an ATV trail, then an ATV trail to a lake, and we're here now, and I legitimately think we're actually the only ones here. It's crazy to have an entire body of water like this to yourself. That's the beauty of Maine, man. You can take an ATV to a spot and go crank some fish and basically just have the lake for the day. Welcome to Endless Lake. Let's go get them. Has it been good or is it tough?
It's tough.
Tough, I figured.
You get little perch like that.
Yeah.
I got a measure on here. I can't bring home anything smaller than that.
Okay.
They put that on for me.
I gotcha. It's nice. Okay, well, I might have lied. We're not the only ones in the lake, but we're just gonna share the lake with that nice old lady. Double-edged sword here. We have this lake that we're fishing right now. The water is low, which is good because we can walk around the whole lake. Can't really launch a boat right now. It's the water level is way too low, but what we can do is walk around the whole body of water because it's so low. So really, the water should be up to, if I had to guess, maybe right here. That gives you an idea as to how much the water's dropped. Maine right now is not doing so good, so that's okay. Comes to our advantage, but it also isn't necessarily good for the fish. I've got a small jerk bait tied on, and then I've also got a Goon Squad little juicy jig with a bandito bug. The mission is to get bit. Man, they should be shallow. Oh, I'm on. What the hell? That was so quick. My first cast, and we've already got a fish. Ooh, little brown bass. Little smallie jaw on the micro jerkbait. That is Maine. That is Maine in a nutshell. Pull up to a lake, take one cast, get bit. Pretty tough to beat that. Little brownie. Hell yeah, dude. Nice smallie jaw. Put you back, guy. Thanks for nibbling. Dude, first cast? Not too bad. Go get some more. Holy, dude, this is like fall weather. This is crazy. Blows my mind. This looks a little bit steeper. Oh yeah, that feels decent. Oh my god, dude, good smallmouth. Holy, dude, this is a good fish. Oh, yes, unreal. Oh my god, dude, good smallie, good smallie. Dude, that fish just jumped right up on land. I am mind blown right now. Oh my god, don't care for these rocks are ice, slippery as. Oh Jesus, he's mad at me. Oh my god. Dude, we've been here for like 10 minutes, not even. We've gotten 2 nice smallmouth. That's a little bit better, closer to that 2-pound mark. It's so strange to me because when we were here last, what was the air temp, like 90, 85? It's 55, I got a hoodie on. My ears are a little bit chilly, and these fish have now moved up from their deep summer holes, and they're taking this opportunity to bulk up before the ice fishing season because that will happen very soon up here. So cool, dude. Nice smallmouth. Hell yeah. Bye. See ya. Unreal. Yeah, that was the bottom. Definitely the bottom. I have the bottom. Pick one up off the jig. There's a lake right here, and then over there is a creek. So we're gonna fish a lake. Well, we just fished a lake, caught 2 fish, not bad, not shabby. Honestly, we're a little rusty, dusty when it comes to Maine fishing. It's been about, what, 2 weeks, 3 weeks?
3 weeks.
3 weeks since we fished here, so I'm trying to get back in the northern groove. But there's a creek down there. I took a few casts with the jig. Whatever they were too small to eat it. So I'm gonna throw something a little bit smaller for them. I'll throw a little jerk bait in there. You go sneaky with me. Little tiny jerk bait. Ready for this? Oh my god, that was a giant. We're on again. Oh wow, fish just tried to eat my line while I'm reeling this guy in. Oh, that's what we're after. Nice little smallie. This is fun, man. I actually enjoy this. I know I'm being like a little bit sarcastic, but I promise you, I sincerely enjoy. Just kick, it's like covered in slime. Oh, nice. All right, see you, Jimbo. Bye-bye. Oh my god, again. There must just be so many fish in here. Oh, wow, 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 he hammered it. It's a little bit better. Dude, they must just be stuck in here. The water's been, like I said, 100 times, been so low in Maine. that like any pool you're gonna find is gonna have hungry fish in it. Oh yeah, oh yeah. That's what I'm talking about. You know the fishing's intense when you're sitting down and making casts. Ready? Here we go. I'm just gonna slam it on the water. Oh wow, there's another one. Suicidal. That's a giant. I mean, it's not small. Whoa. Dude, like every cast I'm getting bites. This is nuts. Let me break my rod tip real quick. Oh wow, on. Absurd, dude, just absurd. They're all brown bass. It's crazy.
You found the net, like the estuary.
I found the, I found the nursery. That's what I found. I found the daycare. This is where all the big smallmouth drop off their little babies when I want to go eat big shad and herring. See, dude. Or I guess it could have been a girl. Sorry, girl, lady, woman, ma'am. Sorry, ma'am. Oh. I feel like it's the same fish over and over again. Oh my goodness. This is hilarious. I mean, I could probably throw a leaf on a hook right now and come tight. I'm just getting sloppy now. This is just sloppy. Dude, there has to be like at least 30 smallmouth in here. And they're all the same size too. I love it. Why do I feel like I'm gonna get a hook in my hand any moment now? Like, look at this. This is just, I'm asking for it, really. Just keep going, why not? Another rise. Oh, I wonder what it is. Let's find out. Oh, wow. Either I foul hooked or that's a decent fish. I must have foul hooked it or something.
It's a better fish.
Is it? Did you just snap me off? Bro, I was just catching 1 inch smallmouth and something just snapped me. All right, get another lure. Now there's some decent fish in here. What the f? All right, ready? Another one. Just tied on a new jerkbait and we are hooked up. Oh, a little wacky worm smallmouth. I gotta love it. That's how I always like to catch my smallmouth, just right in the abdomen, the midsection. Another one.
Oh, geez, something chased right after it.
Dude, there's like 100 smallmouth. This is craziness. I don't even know what to do anymore. This is nuts. Oh yeah, I'm seeing them flash. It's so weird. What the f are they doing? Never really seen fish behave like this before, where they're just like, me, take me, catch me. They're onto me. Oh no, they're not. That feels good. Not really that good, but it's just a hard fighting fish. What was a hard fighting fish. This is really crazy. It's actually insane. I think I've had only 3 or 4 casts where I have not gotten a bite. I mean, dude, they're hooking themselves really well too. Like, bravo. Well done. All right, let's give this 2 more casts, and then I think we've pretty much worn them out. To think that probably 20 fish in this little ditch is just mind-bending. There we go. Last cast magic. Oh, mad as hell. This little guy's mad as hell. Probably one of the bigger ones that we've caught. Maybe by a millimeter, but at least it's a fish. There we have it. Last smallie of our backwoods side-by-side send. Dude, they're going nuts. Look at them. Hang on, watch. Look at, there goes one. There goes another. There goes another. There goes another. There goes another. Dude, it's like a feeding frenzy. I feel like I'm on the Cape right now.
They're blitzing.
Dude, they actually are blitzing. That wasn't my last cast, I guess. Oh my God, I lied. Ooh, smallie. Something turned them on. For some reason, they're all like surfacing right now. That wind must have knocked a bunch of bugs in the water or something. I have no idea. This is, yeah, I learn something new every day. This is different. Wow, I feel like we got a pretty decent fix of some smallmouth. It's just kind of crazy to me how we came here to fish this lake, but we ended up fishing that little ditch behind me. It's just how fishing goes sometimes. Expected to get bit in the big water, but then found like 100 small in a literal like hole, just a hole in the creek. Oh, there's something in my eye. Oh, that hurts. You know what I'm trying to say. Nice little ditch fishing session. Wasn't planning on making it happen that way, but hey, it worked out. We are now heading out of here. The sun is starting to set, so we're gonna hop back in the RZR and scoot on back to the rig runner, make our way towards Camp Claw. Sound.
You want to be my friend? He just takes a chunk out of my finger.
He's welcoming us back to Maine. What should we call him? Daniel. Daniel's a good name. Danny D! Danny D the Dragonfly! Hey, what are you doing in my backyard? What are you doing? What? Oh my gosh. She is so fast. Lucky, you got wheels, girl. Yeah, what a freaking day that was. So good to be back up here in the north, as I always say, filming a video for you guys. It's just Camp Claw vibes. They don't get any better. Unfortunately, summer's ending, but that doesn't mean that we're not going to keep filming up here. A lot of these summer fishing missions are soon going to turn into some fall fishing missions, and then eventually ice fishing season will roll around and we will make some trips periodically up here to punch some ice, to catch some trout, and just have an absolute time. This is truly one of my favorite places on earth, and it feels good to finally be back. But again, I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching today's video, and I also want to thank all of you in advance for supporting the channel by buying some of the Camp Claw merch. I'm honestly so stoked to draw a winner and have one of you guys come down, chill here at Camp Claw, and then, of course, the big kicker, take home my personal Orange Regret Polaris RZR. But anyway, we're peacing out, signing out. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and as always, folks, keep flipping, never stop.